Hey everybody, this is Amy from RVJourney with Amy and Amy. I've got my little cap on today because it is freezing outside, even though it's beautiful. But I'm doing a little project here for the motorhome, and I wanted to show you what I'm doing. So this little guy right here is a footstool from the motorhome. There's a lid on it. I've left it in the motorhome. And it's really nice because we can store stuff in it. And you can sit on it. So it's kind of like an extra seat for visitors or whatever we're doing if we want to play a game. But I took these casters off because one of the casters broke. So I'm taking these casters off and getting ready to, I think I'm going to paint the bottom of this because it's pretty nasty. And fix a little bit of this coming off and replace the casters with some casters that have some rubber wheels. So these are what are going on. They're a little bit bigger too, which I think will be good too. They can hold more weight. I'm not sure these were even supposed to hold much more than, I don't know, 50 pounds. I don't know. Because it broke, I've already taken that out. Because it broke, I don't think it was meant, these were meant to be sat on. So that's what I'm doing here. Thought I'd show you the fun on this beautiful sunny day. Look at that. RVJourney's at home. After a long winter, we are beginning preparations to go on spring break. I'll tell you more about that later. Get that screw out of there, our last screw. Alright. Got it. Last caster is off. We're going to take this puppy and put her out here on the cardboard. So she's ready to get spray painted up. So this like woven wrap stuff has been fastened with, I think these are trim nails. I don't know, but they're just pulling right out. Ouch. Ow. Don't get stabbed. So the trim nails, or whatever they're called, I don't know what they're called. Trim staples? No. I don't know. I got my own staple gun. So we're going to throw some staples in here and see how this works. All right. Didn't work at all. Oh. Just a disclaimer, I am not a furniture maker. I have zero carpentry skills. I don't really do crafts that often, even though I would like to. I have no idea. So I'm just sort of using chewing gum and Scotch tape to put this thing back together. But the staple gun's working. So we've got a nice edge here. Everything's connected again. So I think we're doing all right. Doing my best. All right, I'm going to go to town. This is a dark brown satin, what's it say, espresso? Yeah, should be really pretty for the bottom of this. Certainly going to be nicer looking than that. The thing about this is, it's like 10 years old. I found it in the back of the shelf in the garage. So, we'll see. Personally, I think anything's going to be better than that mess right there. So, let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it's pretty. Ooh, look at it. I look like I'm a professional. I am not a professional. Don't even mistake it. Of course, right now I'm doing this. I'm spraying this stuff on the bottom of that thing, and there's wind coming this way. What is this thing called? Spray can? Never stand downwind of a spray can. Right? No. Never spray up... No. Never spray upwind. Upwind? Uphill? Never spray upwind. That's upwind. Fortunately, this puppy's already drying a little bit. I think we're in for a few coats. That looks pretty good. Let her dry for a little while. Have to see if it needs another coat, but I think she's looking pretty good. Nice. Yeah. All right, it's been about a half an hour. Let's go check on this baby. How does she look? Looks pretty good. Ooh. She's dry. Awesome. All right, good. So I can put the casters on now. I'm going to get that set up, and then I'll show you what I'm doing in a second. All right, so we have this. This is 2 universal attachments. So that's what I'm finding in here. That, which I don't need, and this stuff, which I do need. So we're going to set this stuff aside and get it all lined up. Hopefully the screws won't all roll away like they're trying to. 1, 2, 3. Magic number 4. I think I'm going to need those later. Whoa. Okay, good. We got 4 of those we're going to put down here. Got a whole bag of screws. Yeah. Put that down there. These I don't think we're using. Set them aside. And, yeah. We're going to get this stuff started. Get this party started, man. It's a caster party. Let's have some fun. All right. Nice, gentle application there. These are all ready to go. All right, I just finished screwing on all of these bases for the casters, and this is the moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's an old screw. That's nothing. And we don't need all that stuff there, so that's the universal fitting for that process. We need this process. All right. Will she work? Will she snap on? Does she snap on? Oh, she snaps on. Woohoo! All right. 2 for 2. 3 for 3. Look at that. And we have brand new footstool. Goes in the motorhome. Hey, that worked out pretty good. So let's take her in the motorhome. Come on with me, let's go check it out. I'm going to show you where this goes. All right. Let's go on in. Motorhome's nice and toasty right now because that sunshine coming through that windshield. So pretty. All right. So here's our footstool. We actually keep it. We're all slid in right now. So, and you can tell we've been doing some shopping and stuff, preparing. But because we're slid in, everything's really narrow. But we do keep this under the dinette, and this seems to be a really good place for it. This is the lid, and it fits right on there nicely. And look at that. We've got some brand new casters and a much safer little footstool to use with people. There we go. So that's today's craft project with Aimee R from RVJourney with Aimee and Aimee. Hope you enjoyed it. You know, I really enjoy doing those little side projects and stuff. So if I've got an hour here or even a half an hour there, find something fun to do for the motorhome. Because what's better than spending time in the motorhome? Pretty much nothing. Thanks so much for following us. If you're liking our videos, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot more headed your way this season because there's a lot of camping coming. So we will see you soon. I'm signing off. This is Aimee R from RVJourney. We'll see you soon.